bringing with them melodies shaped by discipline, dedication, and musical charm. Through patience, teamwork, and consistent practice, they transform simple notes into expressive and meaningful music. The audience will witness their coordinated breathing and precise fingerwork blending beautifully to create smooth, flowing harmony. Each piece highlights rhythm, timing, and emotional expression, showcasing not only the drawing skill, but also their confidence on stage.
Iba't ibang estudyante.
Performing on the pianica are the talented students of grade 4, 5, and 6 from Jesus, Son of Mary Academy.
Thank you so much, Jesus, son of Mary Academy. And now let's proceed to our next performers. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to present the intermediate pupils of Margagon Ortocan School. Through their inspiring performance, they bring to life a meaningful message of compassion, unity, and global responsibility. Their presentation reflects a heartfelt call to care for one another, protect the vulnerable, and create a safer, kinder world for all. With expressive movements and sincere voices, these young performers remind us that real change begins within each of us. Even at their age, they understand that love, empathy, and the understanding can overcome hatred and division. May their performance inspire everyone to take part in building a brighter future for the next generation. Please give a warm round of applause for the talented intermediate pupils of Maragondon Parochial School.